this week we're going to be focusing on words that come from other languages. The last group of words that we worked on were words that they were eponyms and words that come from names or a place. So now we're looking at words from other languages. So just repeat after me the words. We have Mustang, avocado, patio, rodeo, caboose, waffle, sleigh, yacht. That is not yacht or yacht. It's just yacht. The CH is silent. Yacht. Ski, and skull. Chances are you know the majority of these words. There might be some that just kind of have you, but we're going to go ahead and look at the definitions. We have several words that come from the Spanish language. We have Mustang. A Mustang is a wild horse. It's also a type of car, but that's why they have a horse in the front of a Mustang. An avocado is
tropical fruit that grows on trees.
Right. A patio is an
place used for relaxing near a house.
a lot of times that might be like your back porch area. A rodeo is
horseback riding and roping.
So be very careful. We have two words from the Spanish language that have to do with horses. A Mustang is a wild horse. A rodeo is a show with horseback riding and roping. All right. We have some words from Dutch, which is similar to the German language. They kind of have the same roots there. A caboose, you guys should know what that is. It's what? The last car on a freight train. That last car there. A waffle is
a breakfast made of cake.
A breakfast cake made from batter. A sleigh is okay. A yacht is
a boat used for pleasure.
Now, the reason why we're studying these words from other languages, you'll see that we have, like with yacht, most of the time in the English language, we would pronounce that CH. CH is hardly ever silent in English words. But because this is based on another language altogether, you have some spelling things like that. So make sure that you're checking your spelling when you do your homework this week. Then we have two words from Danish. The first word is skull, and the skull is the bones of your head. And then we have the word ski. Ski is a Danish word for
a long black runner worn on a float.
Okay, so this is actually the ski that they're talking about. You can ski, which is a verb as well, but this is referring to the noun. All right, listen. You are not going to write the words. I am not going to write caboose down here. The directions say write Spanish, Danish, or Dutch or Danish to tell where the word for each picture is from. So if I know that's a caboose, I need to come up and find caboose. We'll do this one together. Caboose is a Dutch word. Dutch is a proper noun, so I am going to capitalize my D. So you're either going to put Dutch, Spanish, or Danish for part A. For part B, that's where you're going to write a vocabulary word. So you're going to have to come back up here. These are your vocabulary words. You have to come back here and figure out what two words go there. All right. This is due Tuesday, which is tomorrow. And that is the 8th of 2019. Today is the 7th of 2019. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is going to be your assignment next. You still have your word bank here. You will be using these words. You won't be writing Spanish, Danish, or Dutch for this part on the second page. We'll go ahead and put the due date up at the top. That's going to be due Thursday. And Thursday is the 10th.
Today's my birthday.
Okay? So we're going to make sure that we use the word bank for these, and you will need to use your context clues. Use your context clues. For the bottom, you can go ahead and mark out the writing to learn. Please do part B. If you do not do part B and miss 4 of those, you are going to only get a 10 out of 14. And a 10 out of 14 is a 71C. You would be giving yourself a C by just not doing these. That's if all these were correct. Okay? Watch your spelling. I do take points off. All right. As always, if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask me.